If you are a wife who loves God, loves her husband, and is trying everything to save a marriage, nothing seems to be working, this video is for you. You're not failing, but you might be making a few mistakes that actually push your husband further away, even though your heart is in the right place. Let's talk about the 7 most common mistakes wives make when trying to save their marriage and what to do instead. Mistake number 1, talking more when the marriage needs safety. Many wives think, if I just explain myself better, he'll finally get it. So you talk more, you explain more, you bring it up again and again and again. But here's the truth. When a man feels criticized, overwhelmed, or emotionally unsafe, more words don't bring clarity. They trigger shutdown. What helps instead? Create emotional safety before seeking emotional depth. Fewer words, softer tone, better timing. Mistake number 2, trying to convince him to change. This one is subtle. You're not nagging, at least you don't think you are. You're just helping him see what he is doing wrong. But correction without connection feels like rejection. What helps instead? Influence flows through respect, not persuasion. Change happens when a man feels honored, not managed. Mistake number 3, doing everything for the marriage alone. You start carrying the emotional weight for both of you. You initiate, you apologize first, you overfunction while quietly resenting that he underfunctions. This doesn't save a marriage, it creates imbalance and burnout. What helps instead? Do your part with excellence, but stop compensating for what only he can choose to bring. Mistake number 4, praying without taking action. This one may sting, but it's important. Many wives are praying faithfully. God, change his heart. God, fix my marriage. God, bring him back. But prayer without wisdom, skill, and intentional action often leads to spiritual frustration. Faith is not passive. God asks us to walk in wisdom. What helps instead? Pray and learn new ways to communicate. Pray and change unhealthy patterns. Pray and grow into the wife God is shaping, regardless of his response. Mistake number 5, making the marriage the center of your identity. When the marriage struggles, you feel like you're falling apart. Your peace rises and falls on his mood. Your joy depends on his effort. That's too much pressure for any relationship to carry. What helps instead? Anchor your identity in God, not the state of your marriage. A grounded woman is far more attractive and far more powerful than a desperate one. Mistake number 6, using guilt, tears, or withdrawal as leverage. Crying, silent treatment, subtle guilt. None of this create genuine desire to reconnect. They may get a reaction, but not transformation. What helps instead? Clear boundaries, calm strength, consistent character. Respect invites pursuit. Manipulation invites distance. Mistake number 7, waiting for him to change before you do. I'll soften when he does. I'll trust when he proves it. I'll love better once he starts. But restoration always starts with one brave person going first. What helps instead? Lead with maturity, not conditions. Growth is never wasted, even if the outcome isn't immediate. So if you recognized yourself in more than one of these mistakes, hear this clearly. You're not weak. You're not foolish. You are not too late. You just need the right approach, not more effort. If this video helped you, share it with a wife who is quietly fighting for her marriage. If you are ready to stop guessing and start rebuilding with wisdom, faith, and practical steps, stay connected. Help is closer than you think.